You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two biblical names. We'll be looking at how to say more names also from the Bible, like this one. Many struggle with or mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more correct pronunciations. So let's break down how you go about pronouncing these two names. The first one is said as Zebulun, Zebulun, with a stress on the first syllable. Zebulun, Zebulun. Okay, got this one? Naphtali is how you pronounce the second one. Naphtali. Stress again on the first syllable. So overall, Zebulun and Naphtali. Zebulun and Naphtali. It's easy once you know, right? And now you know Zebulun and Naphtali. Like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate the support. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.